Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, a cloud of uncertainty over the AMCA Project's timeline. The DRDO has hit a snag in its efforts to secure Cabinet Committee on Security approval for the twin-edged advanced medium combat aircraft program, casting a cloud of uncertainty over the project's timeline. The AMCA, designed as a fifth-generation stealth fighter, is eagerly anticipated, but bureaucratic processes have slowed its development. Next, the development of cabins of IMRH program. In a significant move to bolster India's aerospace industry, the state-owned HAL is gearing up to outsource the entire airframe of its upcoming 13-ton Indian multi-role helicopter, that is IMRH program, to private sector companies. The IMRH program is set to usher in a new era of collaboration between public and private sectors as it embraces the special purpose vehicle model. This model involves the creation of a new company with a majority stake that will handle the airframe assembly, making a significant step towards bolstering India's indigenous aerospace capabilities. Next, Carl-Gustaf M4 production line in India. In a significant development in the defense industry, Swedish defense firm Saab is set to open a 100% Saab-owned production line for the Carl-Gustaf M4 shoulder-fired weapon system in India. This strategic move involves an investment of nearly 500 crores to establish a new manufacturing facility under the banner of Saab FFV India. The facility will not only produce the latest rocket launchers for the Indian Armed Forces but also manufacture components for users of the weapon system worldwide. Next, offering of 7 helicopters for Philippines Coast Guard's humanitarian efforts. The Indian government has extended a generous offer to the Philippines, providing at least 7 helicopters to support the rescue and humanitarian efforts of the Philippine Coast Guard during disaster response operations. This welcome gesture of cooperation aims to enhance the Philippines' capabilities in disaster management and humanitarian missions. Next, RISAT-2B excesses damage at PAF Base Mianwali. In the aftermath of the recent attack on the Pakistan Air Force base in Mianwali, Indian radar reconnaissance satellite RISAT-2B has been deployed to assess the damage caused during the incident. This satellite, equipped with synthetic aperture radar (SAR) and imaging intelligence capabilities, is playing a critical role in understanding the extent of the damage at the PAF base. Next, induction of medium-range ballistic missiles in conventional role for rocket force. Creating their own rocket force, the Indian Defence Forces may be looking at the option of inducting medium-range ballistic missiles for use in conventional roles. The Defence Forces in recent times have been given clearance to induct the Pele ballistic missiles in significant numbers for being used in conventional roles in the rocket force being created by them. Next, NG rocket and turret ammunition were successfully fired from Rudra. The Spear Corps warriors of the Indian Army successfully fired the NG rocket and turret ammunition from Rudra, the first indigenous attack helicopters. Indian Army said on Sunday. Spear Corps warrior, Indian Army, fired the NG rocket and turret ammunition from Rudra, the first indigenous attack helicopters. Next, Unveiling Crest of Navy Warship Surat in Gujarat. The Crest of Indian Navy's latest warship, Surat, will be unveiled by Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupender Patel in the presence of the Chief of Naval Staff Admiral R. Hari Kumar and other senior officers on Monday. Next, exploring preliminary design of affordable 12-seater electric aircraft. In a collaborative effort, Prasenjit Das, an assistant professor at the Department of Physical Science, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research in Mohali, and Professor Pradyut Das, a former professor of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Kanpur, have undertaken preliminary design studies for a 12-seater electric aircraft. Their ambitious project aims to develop an affordable and eco-friendly aircraft that could potentially revolutionize the transportation sector. Next, induction of Apache attack helicopter. The Indian Army is gearing up for introduction of 6 heavy-duty Apache attack helicopters equipped with formidable weaponry, making a significant advancement in the country's defense capabilities. These Apache choppers are part of a deal worth rupees 5,691 crore, which was signed with the United States in February 2020. Thank you.